क्या ये आपके साथ भी होता है? आपको लगता है कि आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं, थोड़े बहुत इंग्लिश आपको आती है, बट when it comes to speaking with others, when it comes to speaking with your friends, you feel stuck, you feel fear, you feel that you are not confident enough. Do you feel like that? If it happens with you, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to share with you how you can overcome these kind of problems. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, I was also like you. I thought that I need to be very much confident if I want to speak this language, but I was wrong. You know how we can feel confident? If we take action. So don't sit one place and just wait for the confidence that it will come and then afterward I will start my work. No. If you know broken English, if you know little bit English, just start. Start talking to others. Start talking to yourself, your friend. You know, I know you are going to make a lot of mistakes and we all do the same. Was I not making mistake while talking to others, while talking to my friends? I used to make a lot of mistakes, and till now also I make a lot of mistakes, you know. So I started talking to people. You should also start. Don't wait for the motivation, wait for the confidence. It will not come unless you start. And there is one thing also, comparison. We compare with others, and mainly it happens with the beginner. Not only beginner, but even intermediate, advanced. We are busy in comparing with others, but that is not fair. My friend, without knowing someone's journey, we should not compare ourselves with others. They may have been learning for a long time, and you have just started learning this language, then it's not fair to compare with others, right? So don't feel demotivated, don't feel that you know less, my friend. Just feel that you have just started and you will also start speaking this language fluently. I had the same kind of things, but once I started watching video, once I started reading books, I overcame. Now I don't compare with anyone at all. I feel that this is my journey and one day I will become fluent English speaker. Why comparing with others? Don't waste time in comparison. Just work hard, just take action, just speak this language. It's not very hard, my friend. Initially it feels that it's very hard, but once you start, things will start following you. Just like motivation, just like, you know, feeling confident, it will start happening automatically. So I would say that don't wait for motivation. Did I wait for motivation that, okay, once I feel motivated, then I will start speaking this language? No. If I had done this, I may be not speaking in front of you. You may have watched my previous video. I used to make a lot of mistakes, right? And now also I make. So my friend, in your case also, just accept your journey and stop comparing with others, because you don't know when they had started learning English language. We don't know reality of people, you know, when they started their journey, and easily we start comparing with others. I told you this is not fair. So from today onwards, you should compare yourself with yourself. That's so good. Few days back or few months back, you were not able to speak this language. Now you are able to speak. How good it is, right? This is a great comparison. We should compare with ourselves, right? So I compare, like if I compare myself a few months back or few year back, so I wasn't able to speak the way I'm speaking today. In your case also, I would say that stop comparing with others, and you will feel that your English will improve, because this is the great way you will start feeling great. And once you start feeling great, the chances are your English will improve fast way. Other thing, if we talk about motivation, it comes if you do something. Let me share with you one story. It's been 2-3 days that I couldn't get chance to record my video. There was one reason. Many people, they were playing music in my area. Some of them, they were chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra very loudly. So due to which I couldn't record my video. Today, when I had to record my video, my mind was saying, no, you don't have any idea, you don't have anything in your mind. What are you going to share with people? So many thoughts were coming, but I just simply took out my mobile and I started recording my video when I was at my home. And I spoke very well. I recorded 1 minute video. I found, oh, I'm speaking well, and I got energy, I got enthusiasm, that I can do it. So I took my mobile, I came here, and I thought, okay, I'm going to speak anything. I should share something that can motivate people, that can propel someone to go ahead and to do something. That's enough, right? So this is the thing happened with me, and it can happen with you also. So if I had waited for the motivation today, I maybe not recording this video, right? So just take action, motivation will follow you. Okay, so first we talked about comparison. You should stop comparing yourself with others. And other, motivation. If you want to feel motivated, do the work which you want to do. Okay, you will never ever feel motivated unless you start working. There is only one thing that can make you feel motivated, that is action. Take action, you will feel motivated, because that's how our mind is created. Once we start something, it helps us to finish. It helps us to do more and more, but if we don't start, it doesn't help at all. Like, it makes a lot of excuses. It procrastinates also, that oh, I cannot do, I will not help you, right? It happens, and it happens with me most of the time. But I always do one thing. Whenever I feel demotivated, then I take action. Whenever I feel that, oh, someone is speaking very well, for the time being, I may compare, but once again I stop and I think, oh, this is not fair. I don't know their journey. They may have been learning for a long time. Then why should I compare with them? I have just started learning this language, so it's not fair to compare with others. And I believe that you people are also going to do the same. I mean, you people are not going to compare with others. You people are not going to wait for the motivation. My friend, if we talk about motivation, many of us, we watch motivational video and we feel motivated. We do something for a few days. It's okay. It's okay to watch motivational videos, to feel motivated. But unless you take action, nothing is going to work for you. Okay? So keep working, be consistent. When it comes to learning this language, just be disciplined, maintain consistency, and compare with yourself, your old version, that how you were struggling to speak even one sentence, but now how you are able to speak some sentences, and how you are not able to understand English, but now you are able to understand this language. You should be grateful, right? And I am so grateful that I'm able to speak this language, and I will keep trying to become best version of myself. I mean, I will keep working hard to become more fluent, and you should do the same if it's possible, right? So this is the thing. Other, did I say any topic that I wanted to share with you? No. So these all things, I got this idea. So I hope you people are going to implement this thing in you and see the great improvement in you and feel motivated and not compare with others. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.